now we'll go to the awards section, which is very exciting. To give away the awards, we have with us Dr. Palanivel Tyagarajan, Member of Legislative Assembly, here with us in the studio. We will first start with, it gives me a delight to say that SIRC of ICAI has won the second best region award on all India basis for the year 2019-2020. We congratulate CA Jerman K. George, immediate past chairman, for his excellent work and leadership. We also want to give an award for his grand 51st regional conference of SIRC of ICA, which is held in Kochi. We congratulate you, sir. Branches of SIRC of ICAI and SICASA has also bagged ICA Awards 2019. For the category small, the branch award, second prize goes to Salem. The Salem branch has an unique thing. First time in India, all the member committee members are women in Salem. We congratulate Salem branch of SIRC of ICAI. In the category micro, the branch award, the second prize goes to Tirunelveli branch of SIRC of ICAI. We congratulate the Tirunelveli branch of SIRC. The first prize, micro category for SICASA award, goes to Sivakasi branch of SIRC of ICAI. We congratulate Sivakasi branch of SIRC of ICAI. The first prize in the category large branch award goes to Ernakulam branch. It was backed by Ernakulam branch of SIRC of ICAI. We congratulate Ernakulam branch. Let's now move to SIRC awards. Branch-wise awards, the best branch of SIRC Awards 2019 was bagged by, in the category of the branch micro, out of 11 branches, Sivakasi bags the best branch award. We congratulate Sivakasi branch of SIRC. The second best branch in the micro category goes to Bellary branch of SIRC. Next, in the small category of the branch, there are 21 branches. The best branch was bagged by Belagavi branch of SIRC of ICAI. We congratulate Belagavi branch of SIRC of ICAI. In the category small again, the second best branch goes to Udupi branch of SIRC of ICAI. We congratulate Udupi branch of SIRC of ICAI. In the category medium branch, number of branches are 9. The best branch goes to Thrissur branch of SIRC of ICAI. We congratulate you. The second best branch in the category medium goes to Madurai branch of SIRC, which we will park it for the later because the members will come and receive the awards here in person. Next, the category is large and mega category of branches. We have 2 and 2. The best branch was backed by Bengaluru branch of SIRC of ICAI. We congratulate the Bengaluru branch of SIRC of ICAI. The second best branch award goes to Coimbatore branch of SIRC of ICAI. We congratulate Coimbatore branch of SIRC of ICAI. With this, the best branch category awards comes to an end. Now we have SICASA awards. In the category micro, the number of branches again are 11. The best branch is backed by Bellary branch of SIRC of ICAI. We congratulate again Bellary branch of SIRC of ICAI, Sikasa. The second best Sikasa award goes to Anantapur branch of SIRC of ICAI. We congratulate the Sikasa of Anantapur branch. In the category small, the number of branches is 21. The Sikasa award, the best branch goes to Salem. Again, we want to speak about the specialty of Salem. The Salem member committee are all women members. We congratulate Salem branch of Sikasa. The second best branch goes to Nellore, Sikasa, Nellore branch of SIRC. We congratulate Nellore branch of SIRC for Sikasa award. In the category medium, we have 9 branches. The best branch award on Sikasa goes to Thrissur, Thrissur branch of SIRC. Again in the category medium, the second best branch award on Sikasa goes to Kanchipuram district, now the Chengalpattu district it's called. We congratulate the Chengalpattu district. In the category large and mega, Sikasa award, the best branch goes to Ernakulam. Ernakulam branch of SIRC, we congratulate you again. The second best branch award goes to Bengaluru branch of SIRC of ICAI, the Sikasa award. We congratulate Bengaluru Sikasa once again. Thank you so much. Now we again come back to the best branch award in the category medium. The second best branch goes to Madurai, and we have a memento. For that, may I now invite request CAAK Abhinaya Shri, the chairperson of the branch, to come and collect the memento. We also invite CAP Venkatachalam, the immediate past chairman of Madurai branch of SIRC of ICAI. We also congratulate the immediate past chairman for his excellent work and leadership in bagging this award. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request CAT Balasubramanian, Vice Chairman, CAS Mohanasundaram, Secretary of Madurai branch. Thank you and congratulations. May I now call upon CAT Mani Meghalai, Treasurer, CAST Venkatesh Sikasa, Chairman of Madurai branch of SIRC.
Everybody would have come and collected. Pandemics and other things we have had.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are very, very glad to have you here. Now, this conference, which was grand and successful virtually, wouldn't have been possible without this steering committee members who have put their heart and soul and given all their time to make it a grand success, and the ease to watch it from your couch. So let us have them. We want to honor them and give a memento. So for that, now I invite CA P.V. Rajarajeshwaran, past chairman of SIRC of ICAI. Welcome, sir. Thank you for your time and contribution in making this conference a grand one. Thank you so much, sir. May I now call upon CA Jayaseelan, past chairman, Madurai branch of SIRC of ICAI. We thank you cordially for your efforts and time that you have put in this to make this conference a grand one. Thank you so much. May I now call upon CA Pradeep, member of the steering committee. We thank you so much for your efforts and time to make this event a grand success. Also, I would like to mention this studio where we are conducting this meeting from was with the help of the director, Mr. J. Rishwant, JC Residency Private Limited, who allotted us a soundproof room with a lot of technical support. We welcome Mr. J. Rishwant, director of JC Residency, to collect this memento. We thank you for your support. Thank you so much.
How can we miss the two beautiful ladies who have been coordinating, kind of helping us to see that the program is kind of happening in a seamless and smooth way. May I request our chief guest to kindly honor the MCs with a small memento, a token of love and memories. Please. C.S. Subhashini from Pondicherry and C.S. Swarnaprada from Madurai.